service in Peachtree City has a thunderstorm warning for central Walton County in north central Georgia until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Herndonville, or 7 miles south of Monroe, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Social Circle, Jersey, Herndonville, Ebenezer, and Petal. For your protection, on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m. in Gainesville.